Hello children, today I will teach GK chapter 2 Natural Phenomena. Number 1. This picture you see, this is a lightning. What is the spelling of lightning? Lightning, lightning. See, this is snowfall. What is the picture of snowfall? Spelling is S-N-O-W, snow. See here, it is a rainbow. What is the picture? Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Then in this picture you see rain is falling. So what is the spelling of rain? R-A-I-N, rain. And in this picture you can see one drop of dew. So what is the spelling of dew? D-E-W, dew. Now in this picture you see fire. In the jungle, fire you can see. What is the spelling of fire? F-I-R-E, fire. Here you see thunderstorm. What is the spelling of thunder? T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. Here you see hail, snowballs. It is called hail. H-A-I-L, hail. Here you see a foggy weather. In foggy weather you cannot see clear. The road you cannot see clear. So what is the spelling of fog? F-O-G, fog. In that picture you see wind is blowing. What is the spelling of wind? W-I-N-D, wind. So children, you write it very neatly. Now we start natural phenomena quiz. The blanket of air seen on cold winter morning, fog. The small hard balls of ice that fall from the sky, hail. Rainbow caused by sunlight always appear in the sky, opposite side the sun. A wind which carries cloud of fine dust over a large area is called dust storm. A rainbow caused by moonlight is called moonbow. A gentle wind is called breeze. Traveling over snow is called skiing. The hole in the air made by lightning is called channel. Thunderstorms most often happen in the afternoon. When there is a thunderstorm, find shelter. A fog is formed when it is humid. A thin kind of fog is called mist. Now we do plant habits. See, there is some options. You can see the spelling from the options. So start. See, that is cactus. It is from desert. Okay, see the spelling from here and write. And it is big tree. We can see this tree in the warm areas. See in pond, what you can see? Lotus. Lotus in pond. You can see lotus in pond. This is fig tree in hilly areas. In which area you can see this tree? In hilly areas. And this is the coconut tree. Where you can see the coconut tree? In the beach. And it is a sea in the muddy area, swamp area. This tree you can see. So this is called swamp. S-W-A-M-P, swamp. So children, write this neatly. And thank you.